To run Semrush position tracking, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the position tracking tool. Position tracking is a feature that allows you to monitor the ranking of your website and your competitors for specific keywords over time. First, create a new position tracking campaign by clicking on the Setup Position Tracking button. You will need to enter your domain name and select the database that corresponds to your target location. Then, add the keywords you want to track, which can be done manually or by uploading a file. Next, set up your competitors by adding their domain names. This will allow you to compare your ranking with theirs and identify opportunities to improve. You can also set up email notifications to receive updates on changes in your rankings. Once your campaign is set up, Semrush will begin tracking your rankings and providing you with detailed reports and analytics. You can view your rankings over time, identify trends and patterns, and adjust your SEO strategy accordingly. One of the key features of position tracking is the ability to track your rankings on different devices and locations. This is important because search engines often return different results based on the device and location of the user. To get the most out of position tracking, it is essential to regularly review and update your keyword list, as well as adjust your competitors to ensure you are tracking the most relevant data. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Semrush position tracking to monitor and improve your website's search engine rankings, and ultimately drive more traffic and revenue to your business.